Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's me, Cass. Welcome to Cass Can Code, the channel where we talk about coding, my code projects, startups, entrepreneurship, techs, and we talk about it just for the fun of it, guys. This is not the channel for educational purpose. This is the channel for fun coding stuff. Today, guys, okay, we're here to talk about the 100 Days of Code Challenge that I've been participating in. And you won't believe how many days I've been in this challenge. I'm going to go ahead and give you a second to guess. Okay, 15 days. Today makes it day 15. Now you're probably wondering, what is the 100 Days of Code Challenge? 100 Days of Code Challenge is basically this challenge where you go 100 days. You try to do 100 days back to back where you code for at least 1 hour. You code or you do something code related for 1 hour minimum. So far, it's been going great. You know, I do coding just about every single day already. Whether I want to or not, I'm there. I'm coding. In the past 15 days, I can't say I had a minimum 1 hour a day yet with coding. It normally is a minimum of 3 to 5 hours out the day doing something coding. So during these past 15 days, I did some CodePen. During these past 15 days, guys, I did a couple of cool coding. The disrespectfulness right in the middle of the video, like, come on. No respect. Really? That's my cat Raven. As you guys can see, she has absolutely no respect for the fact that I'm over here trying to do this video like I'm trying to tell you guys about my 15 days of coding. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Before the cat distracted me, what was I saying? Oh yeah. So during these past 15 days, I did some CodePen challenge. What else did I do? I did a couple of coding assignments, coding projects that I had to deliver. I also just did coding at home. I was able to get a new Udemy course. I also started Python, yes. All thanks to my good friend Toby, who introduced me to this challenge. I decided to start learning Python. So as I get more and more into Python, guys, I will do a video to let you guys know how that went. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and take you through the past 14 days and let you guys... This cat done jumped on my laptop now. Get a cat, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Ooh. I'm not even gonna remove this from the video. Like, I just don't even care no more. I just don't care. Okay? You guys need to see this for everybody who thinks it's a great idea to get a cat. Alright?